Welcome to Landlord Vision's training tutorials with me, Emmeline Jarvis. In this tutorial, we'll be adding bank accounts to Landlord Vision. There are three ways to add bank accounts to a portfolio. The first is via the Portfolio Settings area. The second is by using the Quick Add button. The final method is to visit the banking area. Enter the account name and then as much or as little of the following information as you'd like. If this account is already active, enter the balance from the date that you intend to start recording transactions in Landlord Vision. If you'd like this to be your default bank account when recording income and expenses, tick the default box. Once you are happy with your information, click on Save. Once a bank account is created, it will then appear on the dashboard. In the next video, we will be adding credit cards to Landlord Vision. See you next time.